superintendent is a heavy job, and trying to navigate the climate at hand is even heavier because we must educate our students as well as help our staff understand that the times in which we live create the context by which we must educate. Here we are in the summer of 2020, and not only are we dealing with a global health pandemic, we are also dealing with unrest around racism on a global platform as well. In the Richmond Heights local schools, our students and our staff, our administration, and our board work every day around these issues of injustice, inequity, as well as empowerment of our students with their voice. So the recent actions that surround the murder of George Floyd have not only caused us to take a pause and reevaluate how we educate, but it has also affirmed what we've been doing and how we must now do it even more so. Our students have had opportunities beyond measure to learn how to harness their voice and become part of the change that they want to see. And that we will continue. Our teachers have had many trainings around implicit bias, inequity analysis, and again, that will be heightened. We, though small yet mighty, will continue to be a voice in this world as we seek the change that is so needed. So again, as a superintendent, I make my statement around the recent actions of inequities, around the George Floyd murder, around the calling for defunding of police, and I merely say that this is the work that our district has been doing with our students and staff all along. And we will continue to do that. We will continue to collaborate, but we will continue to fight for equity, fairness, justice, and empowerment of student voice. Thank you.